In this video, I'm going to show you decision control in C#. In daily life, we used to take a lots of decision depending upon the condition. So let's get started. First of all, let's make one variable name. Int a is equals to, let's take 19 or whatever you can. Or you can take any number according to your requirement. So int a is equals to 19. I'm giving an example. This is my a is variable. We have already discussed about it. And int is variable and 19 is my value. So now let's make one if statement. So if a is greater than, if a is less than 10, and I have to give the two curly braces. And CW tab, just give the message you are fine. So this is if statement. So now we can see a value is, I'm providing the value of a is 19 just now. But in many cases, we cannot predict the value of a because we can just insert the value from the user input. So in this case, we cannot predict the value of a. But now I can see the value of a is 19. And if a is less than 10, it means that if my value of a is less than 10, then I have to execute this code. So let's run this code and let's see the output. So I'm running this code and now a is less than 10. This condition is not matched. So it doesn't show anything on the output. But if I change this 19 into the 9, and if I again run this code, now you can see you are child because this condition is matched here. And this is the if statement. This is simply if statement. This is if statement. And there is another one thing, that is the if else statement. Another one is if else statement. If else statement. And let's take and just copy this code because we need this if statement block, and just below this I just paste it here. And I just wanna add another things. Else I can give some message like you are not child. You are not child. So I'm just giving this message, you are not child. Just cut it here. You are not child. And if I run this code again, now you are child, you are child. Both this condition is matched in different if statement blocks. So this is running two times. This condition is matched and you are child. This statement is running. And again, this if a is less than 10, again we are copy pasting this code. So this statement is also running. But now I just wanna comment these things. I just want to comment these things, all things, using the multi-line comment. Using the multi-line comment, now you can see this statement block is commented. So now if I run this code again, then your child will show me here. And likewise, we can add the elseif ladder. So the things we have, that is the elseif ladder. And again I have to copy this code from here, Control C and Control B. And if I can just leave value here, and if I write a is greater than 60, then you are old. Likewise, if I say the else if statement and a is greater than 80, that you are too old, like you are too old. And we need our last block as is console.write line everything is right. I'm just giving whatever message, so like anything I'm giving here. And if I run this code by pressing the Control F5, you are child that everything is right. In first statement here, this code is, the matching this code, this condition is matched, so it shows the your child. And in second statement, elseif ladder block, here nothing is matched, so it shows the everything is right. So if you say if a is greater than 60, then console.write line you are old. And elseif, if this condition is matched, then this statement will execute. And if this condition is matched, then this statement will execute. If none of this statement is matched, then else will execute at last. So only one statement will execute in a if block, one if block. And we have one if and so many else if are here. We can make more than 100 or thousands else if statement according to our requirement. Hope you will understand about the if statement, and then likewise if else statement, and also the else if ladder. So else if ladder. So if you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comments section. I will reply to you. Thank you so very much.